yan. Pwede mo ba akong samahan maglakbay tungo sa kaloob-looban ng ating mundo? Pero una, pag-usapan muna natin mga struktura ng mundo. Meron tayong crust, mantle at core. Ang core ay nahahati sa dalawa. Meron tayong outer at inner. Pero pag-usapan muna natin yung outer. Watch out!
Uy, nakasama niyo ba kanina nag-explain ang structure of the Earth? Ah, nakasama niyo. Then let's start. Do you know that the outer core is a liquid that is about 2,200 kilometers thick? And it is primarily made by iron and nickel. It also has light elements such as sulfur and oxygen. This molten metal is very important because this generates the Earth's magnetic fields. Without these magnetic fields, we won't be having any protection from the solar winds, which can be very different. Isn't that amazing?
Now, let's move on to the inner core. This part is solid and incredibly hot, with temperature of 5,700 degrees Celsius. It's mostly made of iron, but there's also some nickel in there. Science believes that the inner core is growing slowly as Earth's growth, which means it's constantly changing. Imagine, being that far down is like being in a giant metal ball.
The minerals in the core like iron metal. Accurate weathering in makes the magnetic feeling that project and the conclusive. Everything helping of the living.
First, let's talk about the Earth's crust. It's the outermost layer made of solid rock, and it's where we live. But do you know that it's constantly moving? This movement can lead to earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and landslides. The crust is divided into tectonic plates that float on semi-fluid mantle beneath. When these plates interact, they can cause significant geological events.
Earthquakes. These happen when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. They can range from minor tremors to massive quakes, which can lead to massive destructions.
Volcanic eruptions. When magma from beneath the crust pushes its way to the surface, it can lead to lava, spewing ash, and explosive eruptions, which can devastate to nearby areas.
Landslide or earthquakes can lead to the burying of homes and roads. This disaster can affect large or small communities, so it is important to understand and learn them. Since we can't actually predict or even prevent earthquakes, landslides, or even volcano eruptions, there are 3 ways on how to be prepared. First is building codes. Building codes implemented in the structures can withstand seismic activity. Second, community preparedness. Community preparedness that educate people on how to be prepared and how to react when a disaster hits. Third, land use planning. This means to avoid building structures on high-risk areas and on fault lines.